Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to make a Discord server. So for that, open the Discord application at first. You are currently at the home page. So here, to create a Discord server, tap on the three horizontal lines available on the top left corner. Tap that. Then you need to tap on the plus icon at the very left side of your mobile screen. Tap that. Create your server. Your server is where you and your friends hang out. Now you can create your own server, or you can start from the template of these options available. You can also join a certain server if you have the invite link. I'm going to tap on create my own server. In order to create a server, you need to set up few things. That is, either it's a fan club or a community, or it's just for you and your friends to hang out. I'm going to tap on for me and my friends. To create a server, you will need to provide a profile picture and a server name. Type in the server name over here, and then tap on the plus icon on the profile and then upload a profile picture from your mobile device. Once it's done, you can tap on create server. If you want to add the people on the newly created server, you can share this link with the people on other social media platform. If not, you can just skip this process and add friends on the later. So this is your new server that you have just created on Discord. So this is how you can make a new server. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you.